Hello friends, hi, this is Arpit. I am from Baroda, Gujarat, and I am founder at Adventurous. So, Seven Entertainment today has given me this opportunity to be here and host one of the amazing artists at Quarantunes, which is an initiative by Seven Entertainment and Pokerbazi. So, their motto is to stay home, stay safe, not to get bored even when you are isolated. So the best thing here is tune into Seven Entertainment and have a live chat with fun musical evening with your favorite artist. And as we know today, we have with us Anusha Mani. You must all be knowing about her. Anusha Mani is an Indian female playback singer who works actively in Bollywood industry, and she hails from a musical inclined family and has learned Carnatic music from Srimati Meera Nathan. This girl is full of energy. The way she performs, you must all be knowing she has given up some amazing tracks. And this lady, Anusha, was a part of TV shows on MTV, where she, along with Shalmali Kholgade, Jasmine Sandlas, and Akasha Singh, set out on a epic road trip. So we are just waiting for Anusha to join us. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, Anusha. How are you?
I'm very good. Can you see me properly? Can you hear me properly?
Yes, you're properly audible to me. Am I audible to you?
Yes, absolutely. Hello, everyone who's joined in. Thank you so much for logging in on this Seven Entertainment page.
They were
We're
all
going to have
waiting
a
for you.
great time, hopefully. Yes, and I'm here.
I hope you are done with your walk and you're jogging and everything. I just saw a video of yours.
Yes, I'm not jogging, I'm just walking because jogging करने की अभी क्या बोलते हैं ताकत नहीं है इतना थक जाते हैं पूरा दिन काम करके घर का काम करके but yeah, yes, I'm done for the day mostly.
So what are you doing this quarantine period? I mean, are you staying in touch with music?
Yes, I am in touch with music. Actually, it's in a way helped a lot because this time ये किसी को नहीं मिलता है. We're very fortunate that हमको ये time मिला है, to kind of reassess what you're doing in life, how you want to go about things. So yes, a lot more time to do riyaz, to make new music, and spend time at home with my husband and my dog, and it's been nice, chilled out.
Nice. That's great. So, so people are asking you for some songs and they want to hear it
Okay.
from you. So slowly and gradually we'll go.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
I'll ask you a couple of things about you and then you
Go
sing
for
a
it.
song. So tell me, you performed in so many live shows
Mm-hmm.
and you must have performed in number of live shows in and across the globe. So I
Yeah.
want to know some memorable or funny experiences that you would like to share with everyone over here.
मेमोरेबल तो बहुत सारे हैं, फनी भी काफी सारे हैं. आई थिंक बहुत ऑफ्टन ये होता है. और क्या होता है कि लोग जब एक्साइट हो जाते हैं, स्पेशली जब प्राइवेट शो होता है, तो लोग आपसे माइक छीन कर वो खुद ही अपना गाना शुरू कर देते हैं, वो खुद ही अपना शो करने लग जाते हैं. सो बहुत एंटरटेनिंग होता है वो, और अच्छा भी होता है बिकॉज यू सडनली फील लाइक यू हैव बैकिंग वोकलिस्ट हु कैन जस्ट टेक ओवर द शो एंड यू कैन रिलैक्स बैक स्टेज. पर काफी
Exactly.
फनी इंसिडेंट हुआ है ऐसे काफी बार.
So what is the first track you have for us, for all of your fans over here who's watching you live?
आई थिंक सबसे पहले मैं गुलाबो गाऊंगी, कंसिडरिंग दैट्स उसके बिना तो मैं कहीं जा ही नहीं सकती.
That's the much awaited one. Yes,
Yes,
please go ahead.
absolutely. हे सुरमा लगा के लटे उलझा के हाथ जिया पे मल मल, तेरे छंजे के नीचे ही खड़े हैं, फंस गए जैसे दलदल. हो तेरे छंजे के नीचे ही खड़े हैं, फंस गए जैसे दलदल. गुलाबो जरा इतर गिरा दो पा 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 पा. गुलाबो जरा इत्र गिरा दो. There you go.
Very nice, very
Thank you,
nice.
thank you very much.
So let's hear
You're
it
most
from
welcome.
people who are asking for something from you. They're all saying
Somebody asked
hi.
me, what am I doing? Sorry, what?
So I was just checking on what tracks they want you to sing. Someone asked, "What are you
Right.
doing this quarantine?"
What am I doing? Actually, I am busier than ever. क्योंकि हम लोग इंडिया में खासकर रहकर बहुत प्रिविलेज हैं कि हमको घर का काम नहीं करना पड़ता है. यू नो, वी हैव पीपल टू कम एंड डू झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन, एंड नाउ दैट वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑफ दैट. It's interesting how you suddenly realize the importance of having this help. तो बस खाना बना रही हूँ, झाड़ू पोछा सफाई, कपड़े. I have a dog, so I take him down for a walk, music, all of that. And also, I'm very glad that I live in a community where we are taking a lot of effort to make sure our guards, building guards, our people around are fed well. The animals, खासकर की जो कुत्ते बिल्लियां हैं जो रोड पे हैं, तो उनके लिए खाना छोड़ना, टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर स्टाफ, पीपल अराउंड, एंड इवन लाइक टू एनजीओज एंड स्टफ. तो मैं सारे somebody saying do you cook too? Yes, I cook, and अब कैसा है वो मत पूछना, बस बना लेती हूँ. Anyway, so the point is that while it's nice to have this time at home, and काफी frustrating भी है because as artists we live out of a suitcase for at least half of the year or more than half of the year. लेकिन हम लोग लकी भी हैं कि हम घर के अंदर कंफर्टेबल और एक प्रिविलेज लाइफ जी सकते हैं. सो डू योर बिट, घर पे रहो प्लीज प्लीज, घर पे रहो, कहीं मत
And
जाओ
don't
घूमने
get
टहलने
out. Yes,
दोस्तों से
yes.
मिलने मत जाओ, एंड स्टे एट होम. And yeah, and that's all I've been up to, just making music, doing video calls with friends. That's it.
Amrish is saying that Anusha, he wants to see your dog.
यस. प्रॉब्लम ये है मेरी लाइफ का कि मेरे से ज्यादा पॉपुलर मेरा डॉग
Dog
है.
है.
तो मैं कहीं हूँ नहीं हूँ. मुझे तो लगता है अभी बहुत जल्दी शोज पे भी लोग बोलेंगे आपके कुत्ते को साथ लेके आना, बड़ी को साथ लेके आना, आप गाए या ना गाए उसको स्टेज पे रख दो. एनीवे, बड़ी इज वेट, आई विल ट्राई टू डू दिस. कैन यू?
There he is.
He is sleeping, guys. He's passed out क्योंकि मस्त नीचे दौड़कर बॉल के साथ खेल कर आया है. बस buddy, hi. My friend.
Hi, buddy.
He's, yeah, that's buddy for you. Absolutely exhausted. And
So
that's
I would personally like to listen the Kalang title track song from you.
जो मैंने नहीं गाया, by the way.
पर हम सुनना चाहते हैं आपसे.
बिल्कुल. I want to ask you why Kalang, because मैंने नहीं गाया है गाना.
There was a recommendation that Anusha से ये song गवाना.
ओ अच्छा, ओके. मुझे शायद लिरिक्स याद नहीं है, पर मैं कोशिश करूंगी. हवाओं में बहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी, मैं तेरा पागल पिया. हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक रांझा और हीर जैसी. न चाहिए जमाना, क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया. There you go. जो थोड़ा बहुत याद था मुझे.
Very
Thank
nice,
you.
very nice.
Thank you so much.
Now the third one will come from you. Which one you want to sing for all of your fans?
I think I saw in the comments somebody wanted Zara Dil Ko Tham Lo, which is actually
Yes.
my opening song for my shows, and I miss my band so much. And we do this really cool version of Zara Dil Ko Tham Lo. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments. Thank you. I appreciate it. Dusht, Shell, Amrish, thank you so much. Siddhant, thank you very much. Sharanya, thank you so much. Yes, Zara Dil Ko Tham Lo. I'm gonna get right at it. दिलकशी और दिलबरी उसकी है जादूगरी, जिसकी आंखें है तारे, हैरा जिस पर है सारे दिल, ये सच है क्या, आज वो है क्या, आ ही गया, जरा दिल को थाम लो, नाम लो, कह भी दो है कौन, आ गया, आ गया, लौट के देखो डॉन. That's जरा दिल
Wow,
को थाम लो for you. Thank you.
people must be having some great time today.
I hope so. अभी और कर ही क्या सकते हैं हम, because this country, this world is in a very bad shape, and frustration बहुत, like all of us, I'm sure we've gone through times of being very, very frustrated. I've gone through that so many times, but
Everyone is too much frustrated.
yeah, and more so just worried about what's to come, right? खत्म तो हो जाएगा hopefully कुछ और हफ्तों में या महीनों में, पर उसके बाद क्या, shows कब शुरू होंगे, काम कब शुरू होगा. So we can just be positive and take it one day at a time.
So much of love from Assam for Anusha.
Thank you so much. I love Assam, by the way. I love being there.
And one more thing, Assam का lockdown भी खत्म हो गया है.
खत्म हो गया? I thought they extended it.
No, Assam is all clear, so they've removed the lockdown.
Wow, but that's great news. It's one state at a time, one place at a time. This is the only
Yeah,
way to
exactly.
achieve it.
Slowly
Great,
and gradually it will happen. Yes.
great for sure.
Okay, so you became a mentor in the NTV's singing reality show, Love Me India.
Yes, Love Me India. That's right.
How was your experience over there?
As much as I believe that I don't like the concept of judging somebody singing or whatever, in the sense that I feel like to sit in that chair and say कौन अच्छा गा रहा है या कौन नहीं, it's a very uncomfortable situation, to be honest, because we're all learning here, we're all growing. But having said that, I feel like I learned a lot in that experience. There were kids, and जो भयंकर गाना गा रहे थे वो लोग, putting us to shame, you know, at that age. It was a beautiful experience. And to top everything, the entire unit of that show, I want to mention them because they're very special to me even today. And हम लोग अभी भी बात करते हैं, हमारा WhatsApp group है. So there's Chang, Neha Bhasin, Bhumi Trivedi, Abhijit Sawant, Navraj Hans, Himesh Reshamya ji, Guru Randhawa. So, you know, what an amazing team. The entire channel, the whole unit production. We had a great time shooting it. So, yeah, best time ever, actually.
It's always a different and a new experience with such good people.
Absolutely. Very, very, very unique experience.
Please tell us about how you get inspiration from achieving so much.
Well, inspiration is everywhere. There's inspiration in even the maid who comes to clean in your house. Like, I feel like she never cribs. वो एक दिन भी complain नहीं करती है कि आज मेरा काम करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है या मेरा झाड़ू करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. She gets up every day and she just does her work, and she doesn't make excuses. Also, she's very diligent and very sincere. तो मुझे लगता है कि inspiration सब जगह है. From your family, from your parents, your friends, to great singers and artists like Lata ji, Asha ji, Nusrat Saab, कितने सारे लोग हैं, Shankar Mahadevan ji. There are so many people all around. And even newcomers, new singers who just teach you so many things. Inspiration is, look around, it's everywhere. It's in buddy. मतलब chill करना कोई उससे सीखे. तो inspiration यहाँ पे भी है.
He's enjoying in his own zone.
Yes, absolutely.
So what are your hobbies apart from singing? If you're not singing, what are you doing?
I like, what do I like? This could take a while. I was enjoying dance for a while, but I haven't gotten around to doing it again. उसके अलावा I like spending time with friends. I like actually just sitting at home and spending time with my husband, जो we don't get to do, जो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा time मिल रहा है उसके लिए, which is great.
Exactly, yes.
But hobbies, I mean, sometimes I like baking. The thing is, I get bored of things very easily, so I'll do it for like a month or two, and then I'll give up and I'll try something else, and then I'll try something else. My attention span is very small, so
Correct.
I keep jumping from things.
So we have Akanksha who's asking, for Lazy Lamhe, all-time favorite.
Yes, my career-defining song, my first ever hit, so to speak. My second song in my entire career. I would love to sing this song. Okay.
So let's hear it.
बीते सरक सरक के देखो ये लेजी लम्हे, चलते खिसक खिसक के ये लेजी लम्हे, कैसी लिए खुमारी देखो ये लेजी लम्हे, पलकें भारी भारी ये लेजी लम्हे, ढीलोड़ खुद को आ तू उंगलियां फेरा, हसरतों की नज़्में तू बदन पे लिख जा, धड़कन है ठहरी सी, सांसें हैं गहरी सी, ये लेजी लेजी लम्हे, ये लेजी लेजी लम्हे, lazy lamhe.
Lazy Lamhe.
There you go. It is
Very
lazy
nice,
lamhe.
very
That's
nice.
all we're doing. Netflixing
Yes,
and
yes.
chilling and being lazy.
What are you watching on Netflix?
I'm actually watching this show called Breaking Bad, जो बहुत सालों पहले आ गया था. It's on Netflix, and बहुत लोगों ने इसको recommend किया. तो it's very gory actually. It's all kind of रात की नींद खराब हो जाती है basically. But it's very interesting. I'm actually on season 5. लेकिन मैंने ये plan किया है कि जैसे ही मैं ये series खत्म करूंगी, I'm gonna stay away from Netflix and Amazon and all of that for a while, because ये बहुत addictive है और पूरी schedule की basically वाट लग जाती है.
It takes away the sleep, seriously.
Yes, so I'm gonna actually take a break from screen time.
Did
Heisen,
you
oh wait,
watch Money Heist?
somebody Berg is God. Whoever you are my half brother or sister. I don't know what your half road Jack. Heisenberg is God and we are buddies. Wow, Heisenberg, yes. There are so many Breaking Bad fans. I love Walter White and I love the show. I'm really hooked onto it. So yes, that's that. Sorry, you were saying something.
Great, that's great. So let's go with another track of yours from Chennai Express.
Yes, absolutely. It's called Tera Rasta. And
Chodo Na.
interesting story actually about this song. Interesting story मैं बताना चाहूंगी ये गाने के बारे में. This was a very last minute addition to the album. It was not supposed to be there. And this was, I think, recorded on my birthday, or was it your birthday? And let me check it with my husband. I think it was your birthday. Yeah, it was my husband's birthday actually, और हम लोग पार्टी करने जा रहे थे friends के साथ. And I got a call from Shekhar Ravjiani and said that, you know, we have this track, can you come? तो मैं पार्टी छोड़ के, पार्टी कपड़ों में, मेकअप में मैं स्टूडियो गई और मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया ना. Went back to the party.
Wow.
So the thing is, you never know like when what knocks into your door, and this was one
We
of those
have to
very
be ready for it
priceless.
any time.
Yes, absolutely ready. And that's the thing about our profession, is that the show can happen tomorrow, a recording can happen the next minute. You know, you never know, and you can't plan even a holiday without confidently knowing that काम नहीं आएगा. But you know, work comes first, and we love what we do. So
Yes,
here's Tera
exactly.
Rasta for you.
There you go.
मेहरबानी नहीं तुम्हारा प्यार मांगा है, तुम्हें मंजूर है तभी तो यार मांगा है, गैरों के डर से तेरे शहर से है कसम रिश्ता तोड़ू ना, तेरा रास्ता मैं छोड़ू 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 ना, गर ये है नहीं तेरे जाने प्यार क्या है, मेरी रीत है तू किसे परवार क्या है, तेरा रास्ता छोड़ू ना मैं तेरा रास्ता छोड़ू ना. There you go. That's Tera Rasta for you.
Very nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Thank
coming
you.
next is, I want to know, what is your advice for the newcomers? What message do you have for your fans to stay safe in these times of lockdown?
I mean, जो गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है, जो स्मार्ट इंटेलिजेंट लोग बोल रहे हैं कि don't leave the house unless you absolutely have to. Don't stock up too much. और मैं actually वो सब तो सबको पता ही है कि घर पे रहना है और घर के बाहर जाना नहीं है and all of that. But I just want to say one thing that mental health is a very important thing right now and घर पे frustrate होना बहुत easy है. तो किताबें पढ़ो, मेडिटेट करो, वर्कआउट करो और डू थिंग्स दैट मेक यू हैप्पी, do things that inspire you. Watch some inspiring documentaries or learn a new craft. Like you can even learn singing. Online classes होती हैं. तो अगर आपके पास इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं है तो आप शायद सिंगिंग में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं तो वो कर सकते हैं. But just try and be creative with your time because ये वक्त वापस नहीं आएगा और आना भी नहीं चाहिए. So use it to your maximum capacities, what I'll say.
Make the most of it and spend time with family.
Yes, absolutely.
Have you been to Gujarat?
Yes, so many times. I was there, I think just a few weeks before the lockdown happened also. I think Surat mein thi main. Yes, that's correct.
And have you been to
Have I been to Baroda? Yes, I have been to Baroda.
Nice. So I'll ask you a rapid fire.
Why are you
ready for
asking
it?
me that?
No, I'm from Baroda. No, we've been doing
Yes.
events over here. So
Oh, okay, you're from Baroda. I didn't know that. Okay. No, I love Gujarat. I love Gujarati food. अगर मुझे कोई गुजराती खाना खिलाने के लिए इनवाइट करेगा तो मैं क्वारंटीन अभी तोड़ दूंगी. एंड आई एम
हम ही कर देंगे
जोकिंग,
invite
सो
आपको.
डोंट कम एट मी फॉर दैट. जोक्स था भाभी जी.
So I want to go for a rapid fire with you, but before that, let's hear Dhoka from Johnny Guitar.
धोखा. Oh my god. Okay, that's my first song. I've actually not sung that song in very long, so I'm gonna try it.
All right.
चांदनी छू गई, कोई तितली शोला बनी, कौन जीते हार कौन, अंधेरा या रोशनी, है जहर या है दवा, है कहर या है धुआं, जाने किसके साथ होगा धोखा. There you go. That's Dhoka. Mujhe, unfortunately, it's not like so pakka in my head because I haven't sung it in very, very long. But thank you for requesting that. That's my first playback ever. And I'll always be grateful to Shankar Ehsaan Loy for, giving me this song and this opportunity. And many more after that.
Yes. So let's go for a rapid fire. Let's see
Yes.
how fast can you answer the questions. So
Ready.
you have to tell me what comes in your mind when I ask you something.
Okay.
Favorite current song of yours?
Favorite. What's my favorite current song? Wow, this is not fast. This is not fast at all. Okay, Chan Kitha, which is the Punjabi folk song.
So you love Punjabi songs.
I love all songs. गाना अच्छा हो बस क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो इटालियन में हो या पंजाबी में हो. But Punjab has great music generally, like folk music and everything is stunning.
No doubt about that.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.
Favorite song of yourself?
जो मैंने गाया है?
जी हाँ.
I had done a single called Savera years ago, and with my husband, he's the composer. Manoj Yadav ने लिखा है, and that'll be my all-time favorite song.
Then your all-time favorite singer?
Well, बहुत सारे हैं यार, बहुत सारे हैं. Well, लता जी, आशा जी, नुसरत साहब, बहुत सारे favorites. ये बहुत unfair question है. You can't ask favorite singer and song to a singer.
They all are very nice and they are very
Yes.
good. What's your favorite food?
Favorite food, खिचड़ी.
Wow, that's nice.
जो मैंने अभी तक बनाई नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा प्रेशर कुकर खराब हो गया है. टाइमिंग
हमारे
देखो.
गुजरात में खिचड़ी कड़ी बहुत अच्छी बनती है.
I know, पता है मुझे, बोलने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है.
So would you prefer a ice cream or a chocolate?
Ice cream on chocolate.
Okay. And what music you like?
All kinds of music. यार ऐसे मत करो यार. What all kinds of music? I love ghazals, I love pop, I love country, I love Bollywood, I love भगवान.
The list is endless.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I know I did horribly bad in this rapid fire और मैंने आपको एक जगह एक आंसर के बदले 5 आंसर दिए और वो भी 4 घंटे लगाए एक आंसर के लिए.
Who's your Bollywood celebrity crush?
Currently, I think Vicky Kaushal.
Wow.
He's cute.
And
Yeah.
what comes to your mind when we...
I mean, I don't have a crush on him, but I think he's cute.
He is very cute.
I'm getting
What-
prompts. पीछे से मुझे prompt कर रहे हैं.
What comes in your mind when you hear about your fans?
Love and gratitude, because I am honestly nothing without them, and how many ever people that follow me and like me and love me for what I do, I'm eternally and always grateful.
And what's your dream collaboration?
Hey Bhagwan. I think I have two. One is with Javed Ali, no, not Javed Ali. Sorry, Javed Bashir ji, and one with John Mayer.
Okay, that's nice. So I would like to end our session with one of the songs. You sing Savera for us.
I would love to, and thank you so much for. Oh yeah, A.R. Rahman sir को तो मैं मतलब वो तो obvious है. मैं collab जब मैं बोल रही थी तो I was like thinking like far out, reaching very very far away. But yes, of course, it's a dream to work with Rahman sir any day, anytime.
Yes.
Actually, like you put somebody in a spot when you say like अभी बताओ, एक second में बताओ. Suddenly you go blank. You can't think of anybody that you know.
किसी का भी नाम नहीं ले
Okay.
सकते, सही बात है.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. Okay, so here's Savera for you. It's my absolute favorite. And जिन्होंने Savera नहीं सुना है तो please Apple Music, YouTube. Actually YouTube में सुनिए तो आपको video भी दिखेगा. And please go and support independent music.
So we won't
And,
end it with this song. I want one more song from you. The last
Okay,
one.
okay.
So first you sing Savera for us.
अच्छा, okay, fine. Okay. Don't put me in a spot, huh?
No, I won't do that.
Okay, cool. बैठी रात रजाई में मेरे कल का भोर लिए 210 की पढ़ाई में 2.5 घर छोड़ दिए 100 कदम चली थी 2 कदम थे बाकी मैं सवेरा कैसे लाती चांद डूबा ही नहीं चांद डूबा ही नहीं चांद डूबा ही नहीं. There you go.
Wow.
Thank you.
So I'll now give the name of the movie and you have to select the song. You must be knowing what song I'm talking about, but you take a guess. From Udta Punjab.
Okay, एक कुड़ी obviously. चलो शुक्र है एक तो मिला मुझे बराबर आंसर दिया मैंने.
Chalo, go for it.
Sure. एक कुड़ी जिदा ना मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है हाय सद मुरादी सोनिए भबत गुम है गुम है गुम है गुम है गुम है गुम है. There you go.
Wow, that's
Thank
amazing.
you. Thank you.
So we'll listen from some of your fans what they have to say, and then
Sure.
I'll allow you to spend some time with Buddy.
Sorry, what?
Then I'll let you go to spend some time with Buddy.
Yes, thank you so much. वैसे मैं वो सो रहा है उसका अभी काम हो चुका है तो basically अभी we are just props around the house until he sleeps and wakes up.
Arusha,
we are
can
at
you
his
sing
service.
any song of Alka Yagnik, ma'am? That is Saad Naeem who's asking you to sing any song. of Alka ma'am?
Actually, I will sing one of my most favorite songs of hers. Hi, Jayashree Sharad. How are you? Jayashree is a very, very popular and very, very amazing a dermatologist and cosmetologist. And
Wow.
puri industry, basically, without taking names, goes to ye jo shakal hai, thanks to... Hi, Jayashree.
Jayashree.
Miss you too. Okay. All right. What did I have to sing again?
Any song of Alka Yagnik?
Alka Yagnik, yes. So I love the song of hers, which is a little more like current. So here it goes. um, पल भर ठहर जाओ दिल ये संभल जाए कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए आँखों में तुमको भरूं बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं अगर तुम साथ हो अगर तुम साथ हो There you go. That's Alka
Yay.
Yagnik's song.
So Anusha, it was a pleasure having you with us on Quarantunes.
Thank you
People
so
must
much.
have
Thank you, Seven
enjoyed a
Entertainment.
lot.
Thank you. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
And you stay home, stay safe, and have a good time with you and your family.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And you guys stay safe too and be happy and be sane. And let's pray that this gets over soon. And until then, just feed your animals on the road या building में and take care of the daily wages. अगर आप 100 रुपया भी अगर donate कर सकते हैं तो it'll make a very big difference. So please do it. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Seven Entertainment. Thank you, TM Talent Management, for having me here this evening. It's been a pleasure and a bit of a great change. थोड़ी बहुत मेकअप भी पहनने का आज मौका मिला मुझे. So thank you so much.
See you then, Anusha.
Thank you
Take
everybody who
care. Bye-bye.
joined in. Thank you so much. Bye guys.
I take care. See you.